continue to get you more and more voices from outside the parliament. Let's listen to what Akhilesh Yadav has said.
आइए जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि आखिर इस बिल का विरोध क्यों हो रहा है, जहां पे आप देख रहे हैं कि अखिलेश यादव, प्रियंका गांधी, तमाम नेता यहां पे मौजूद हैं। और अखिलेश जी से पूछा, अखिलेश जी क्यों आप लोग विरोध कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि शिवराज सिंह चौहान कह रहे हैं 125 दिन हम दे रहे हैं।
नहीं तो 200 दिन क्यों नहीं, 250 दिन क्यों नहीं? और फिर इससे किसान को क्या लाभ होगा सीधा?
टीटी है मैडम।
मनरेगा स्कीम जो पुरानी सरकार की चली हुई थी, उस समय भी जब सदन में हम लोग थे तो ये मांग करते थे कि ज्यादा दिन क्यों नहीं बढ़ाते हैं। ज्यादा दिन के साथ साथ पर डे जो आप देते हैं भुगतान मानदेय, वो भी आपको बढ़ाना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो महंगाई है उसके अनुपात में आपको कुछ तो विचार करना ही पड़ेगा। और फिर इसको किसान को लाभ कैसे पहुंचाएंगे? अंतोगत्वा किसान को भी तो मजदूर चाहिए, किसान को भी मजदूरी करानी पड़ती है। तो आखिरकार किसान को कैसे लाभ पहुंचेगा इस स्कीम का? ये सरकार केवल नाम बदलना जानती है। राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी इस पूरे देश के लोगों के मन में, लोगों के दिल और दिमाग में है, और ये उस विचारधारा के खिलाफ है, राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी के खिलाफ हैं। तो इनसे और क्या उम्मीद की जा सकती है?
शिवराज जी कह रहे हैं कि राम भी सबके रोम रोम में है, राम भी सबके, तो जी राम जी से आपको क्यों आपत्ति है? ये उन्होंने सदन में बोला शिवराज जी।
आखिरकार राम राज्य क्या है, उसकी परिभाषा क्या है? किसी के साथ भेदभाव न हो, ऊंच नीच न हो, जाति के आधार पर भेदभाव न हो, न्याय मिले, अन्याय न हो, और ऊंच नीच न हो, आर्थिक रूप से गैर बराबरी न हो। यही तो राम राज्य है। आखिर किस राम राज्य की ये पलकना कर रहे हैं? क्या जो भेदभाव होगा वो राम राज्य होगा? आप किसी के घर पे जाने पर अगर आप मंदिर जा रहे हैं तो गंगा जल से धोगे, क्या वो राम राज्य है? किसी का घर आप गंगा जल से धो रहे हैं, वो राम राज्य है? किसी को पेशाब पिला दे रहे हो, आप किसी की हत्या कर दे रहे हो जात के आधार पे, जात के आधार गाली दे रहे हो, तो ये राम राज्य है क्या?
तो नाम के आधार पे पॉलिटिक्स कर रही है आपको लगता है? राम जी लाना
ये नाम बदलने की राजनीति बहुत दिन चलने वाली नहीं है। ये ग्राफ इनका नीचे जा रहा है, और मैंने पहले भी कहा, फिर कहता हूँ, जिस समय ये कमजोर हो जाते हैं उस समय रिलीजियस और कम्युनल ज्यादा हो जाते हैं।
शुक्रिया आपसे बात करने के लिए। अखिलेश यादव यहाँ आज तक से खास बातचीत में ये कहते हुए कि नाम बदलने की ये जो राजनीति है वो ज्यादा दिन चलने वाली नहीं है। मौसमी सिंह, दिल्ली आज तक।
And that is the exact question that the opposition is asking. What is the point of replacing Gandhi's name? Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had also said that whenever a scheme's name is changed, several administrative alterations are required in offices, leading to additional expenditure. So you see how the opposition is up in arms against the centre, not just over the name change, but also the other changes, the other alterations that it proposes. Now remember, the proposed legislation that seeks to realign rural employment policy with the government's long-term vision of Viksit Bharat at 2047, while also changing the structure, funding pattern of the existing scheme. And that has got the opposition asking questions, where the leaders are also questioning the intention behind removing Mahatma Gandhi's name. You just heard from Akhilesh Yadav a short while ago. You also heard from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, where remember the entire India bloc that is staging a protest outside Parliament, holding big posters of Mahatma Gandhi, saying it is an insult to his legacy that the government is considering the removal of his name. Let's listen into more responses. All right, we'll keep cutting across to those sound bites that come in live. But remember, the bill that emphasizes that it is a bill that is being introduced for empowerment, convergence and saturation to build a prosperous and resilient rural Bharat. Shivraj Singh Chauhan also reiterating that it is for the betterment of the poor that the changes are being introduced. The G Ramji scheme that will be implemented as a centrally sponsored scheme. So unlike Manrega, which was fully funded by the centre, under this proposal, the centre state fund sharing ratio will now be 60-40 for all states and union territories with legislatures, and exceptions that have been made for the northeastern states, Himalayan states and union territories such as Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir with a 90 to 10% ratio. Unlike in Manrega, unskilled wages that were fully funded by the centre, now this particular bill that introduces a higher financial burden on state governments, and for the first time, G related works during agricultural seasons will be banned is what the bill proposes. It also changes the administrative architecture of the scheme. So while Manrega was implemented directly by the Union Rural Development Ministry, the new law mandates the constitution of State Grameen Rozgar Guaranteed Council. Let me cut across to Aishwarya, who's been reporting from outside the parliament, taking us through the dramatic scenes that have been folding, Aishwarya, and the very many voices coming in from the opposition as they state an objection to this proposal.
Opposition leaders, Suesha, from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to Akhilesh Yadav, all of them are now saying that this is an attempt to remove the word Gandhi, to wash over the entire history of our country, and that's the reason why the change in the name of the bill, that is something that has now happened. We also saw it was Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who just a couple of minutes ago was also speaking in Lok Sabha, and she was speaking about the fact that you are now trying to make sure that you remove everything that has the Gandhi surname, that has the shadow of Mahatma Gandhi in it, that has the essence of Mahatma Gandhi in it. So all those things are now being changed. The opposition believes that this is something that they will not let the central government to do. If we speak about the fact, some of the leaders from the opposition say that Manrega, in fact, was one of the most sought after and one of the most successful schemes that was being implemented by the UPA tenure. And despite the success rate, we are now seeing the central government trying to push through this and also trying to change the very tenure and the very nature of the Manrega bill.
With regards to what next in the parliament, Aishwarya, given the walkout that was staged by the opposition, how they stormed into the well of the house, and eventually the protest that was staged outside the parliament, to how we see proceedings now see an impact over this protest that has been staged?
Well, let me tell you what exactly happened. We did see how the opposition leaders were in the well of the house, and then as soon as the Lok Sabha was adjourned, or just minutes before the Lok Sabha was adjourned, they staged a walkout, all of them together, then marched from the Makar Dwar and started walking towards the Gandhi statue. In fact, this protest march culminated at the Gandhi statue, where most of the opposition leaders said that what they are now looking at is to make sure that they want to pressurize the government, the central government, and they also want to make sure that there are these kind of changes that do not happen. We will be opposing the bills tooth and nail. This is what some of the top opposition leaders are saying. They're also saying that what they have been trying to do, what the central government has been trying to do, is to somehow remove the name Gandhi and to remove Mahatma Gandhi from these protests, from these schemes, and also, completely wipe out some of the schemes, some of the successful schemes of the UPA tenure.
Yes, and with regards to the name change controversy that now comes to the fore with the opposition saying, why change the name? What is the intention? It not just incurs additional expenditure, but what benefit is it serving by changing the name? Where we heard from Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who also went on to say that they have utmost respect for Mahatma Gandhi, for Gandhi's legacy, but this they are doing because they are backing Ram Rajya. Listen into that entire statement in detail.
बापू हमारे दिलों में बसते हैं, उनका हम पूरा सम्मान करते हैं। और बापू ही कहते थे राम राज, राम हमारे रोम रोम में रमे हैं, राम हमारी हर सांस में बसे हैं। बिना राम के ये देश नहीं जाना जाता। पता नहीं क्यों राम जी नाम आ गया तो ये भड़क गए। महात्मा गांधी स्वयं राम राज्य की स्थापना की बात करते थे और उनके अंतिम शब्द भी हे राम थे। बापू जी का पूरा सम्मान करते हुए राम राज की स्थापना मतलब दैहिक दैविक भौतिकता का राम राज काहू नहीं व्यापा, हर गरीब को भरपूर रोजगार मिले, उसकी गरिमा को सम्मान हो, दिव्यांग बुजुर्ग और महिला अनुसूचित जाति जनजाति उनको और प्रोटेक्शन दिया जाए, इसके लिए ये बिल लेके आए हैं। 125 दिन की गारंटी है, गारंटी ये कहीं पर कमजोर नहीं हुई। उस गारंटी को हम पूरा करेंगे, गांव का संपूर्ण विकास भी करेंगे और कृषि और मजदूरी दोनों में संतुलन स्थापित करने का काम करेंगे।